Everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix your AirPods if they are draining the battery very fast. So guys, if you're facing this problem and your AirPods are draining the battery very fast, here I will show you how can you fix this. So guys, here I will give you some possible solutions that can help you to fix this problem. So the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply reset your AirPods to factory settings. So for that you have to simply put your AirPods in the case, and after this you have to press and hold the power button behind the case for 30 to 40 seconds. So I simply press and hold the button for 30 to 40 seconds, and after this reset your AirPods, and after this try to connect your AirPods again with your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. So guys, if you're still facing this problem, then go for the other solution, that is you have to service your AirPods and you have to change the battery for your AirPods if it is not working good. So guys, you have to simply remove the battery of your AirPods and then you have to replace a new battery in your AirPods, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.